Hello. In this video, I will be concentrating on resume preparation tips, especially for engineering and diploma graduates who are actually uh, a fresher. It will be very much helpful for the freshers so that you gain additional advantage for getting selected in campus interviews or apart from graduating from the college. So these tips are essentially for engineering and diploma graduates and also can be applied for other courses as well. So I will be highlighting some basic and important tips where you can prepare the resume in effective manner. So first tip which I am going to highlight here is the resume should be very much short and also should be very much clear. Always make sure that the resume should be of one page. So you need to make it very much concise and to the point and to the clear understanding of the HR. You need to limit your resume to one page. As you know, fresher resume will not contain any work experience generally. So you restrict your resume to one page and use simple language so that HR or the recruitment person can be able to understand easily whatever you have mentioned in the resume and maintain the proper formatting. That is also very important. So next is start with a strong header. So whenever you are preparing a resume, where you need to highlight a strong header which can lead to your potential interest, where they might be getting interested in your resume. So strong header you need to choose and you need to include the details of your name, phone number, mail ID and LinkedIn because LinkedIn nowadays many professionals, company persons, HR persons are communicating through LinkedIn profiles so that your LinkedIn profile can also be utilized for this purpose. And next tip is and make a simple career objective. So that means whatever you put as a headline to your resume, where your career objective should be mentioned. So here I have quoted one simple example for especially for technical courses like diploma as well as engineering background. So to work in a growing company where I can use my technical skills and learn new things. So these are the things you can highlight more towards technical things so that you will be highlighted using your resume and highlight your education. So major purpose of preparing a resume, highlighting of academic uh, performances during your entire education journey. So course name, college name, percentage of CGPA, year of completion. All these are necessary details of your academics that has to be mentioned in your resume. Apart from that, you need to highlight technical skills. Generally, for engineering background, focus on software tools you have utilized, programming languages that you have learned, and relevant technical subjects which is related to your domain. So these are the skills that you can able to highlight in your resume. And one more important thing is that you need to showcase your projects, especially that you do in your graduation before completing or in the final semesters. You will be doing a project. So in that project, you need to mention your role in the project, tools used in the project, and also the outcomes of the project. All these things you need to highlight in your resume. Mention internship or industrial visit. So generally, HR will see this internship and visits where generally they will look for internships where you have worked and what role you have worked, what company you have worked, what are the things you learned in that internship. All these things will boost up your selection, and the chances of selections will be very much more if you highlight the task that you have performed in the internship or industrial visit. And one more important thing is that in the resume, it's very important to give you preference where what are the achievements that you have done, what are the certifications that you have done. Generally, it includes research paper publication, workshop that you have attended through the academics, online courses that you have taken, uh, extracurricular activities, whatever the achievements that you have done, and leadership roles in different activities you have participated. All these things you need to highlight uh, in a very clear and short manner. Use bullets, not long paragraphs. It's very important that generally during the interview, the time duration is very much short that if you write long paragraphs, so HR is not in a position to read all those lines and paragraphs. So to avoid that and give a short bullet points so that it is easily understood and easily communicated to the HR in a much easier manner. And avoid some common mistakes such as spelling mistakes, fancy design, fake skills, and unprofessional emails. So all these are generally attracting freshers. So they don't know uh, preparing or giving mail IDs. So very important that you give professional mail ID in a proper manner without any fancy names or fancy design to your resume. And don't show any fake skills or fake certifications that is not done by you originally. So all these uh, holds that this might not be selected further. So avoid these kind of mistakes in your resume. And very much important is that generally in IT companies or software companies, they prefer more of a soft skills compared to hard skills. So it's very important to note that you need to have proper communication and teamwork skills. So whatever you have learned through the course, you might highlight communication skills, teamwork, problem solving, and time management. So if you have worked on it or if you have good in these skills, so highlight these skills in your resume. And finally, last step is generally you will be preparing the resume in DOC document format. So you need to save it in PDF so that it will be very much readable across all the readers, which is portable document so that everybody can read PDF file as per the format. So don't send the document file because the version might change and the text might look different. So that's the reason why you need to save and send as PDF. So this is actually the very important things before sending. Convert it into PDF and then it sent to the respective HR, or the prospective person. Okay, these are the steps, these are the tips that you can include in your resume as a fresher. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I wish you all the best for the further. Any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you.